Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. If you're looking for simple, easy to use toy haulers where you can ditch your big RV but still haul your toys around, that's exactly what we specialize here in Colorado Trailers. This is one of our 8.5 wide off-road trailer versions. This is our Rocky Mountain package. Does come in a matte gray blackout. This does have also the black diamond plate rock art along the bottom, and you've got the nice wrapped corners there. We do an enclosed generator box and platform here on the tongue, so you've got a great place for that generator to ride, and then you guys can see you can lock it down and have a nice storage space. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so you've got double lock protection on that side door. Party lights off this side, so you've got a great light system to hang out with at night. Plus you've got an exterior GFI outlet located right there as well. This does have our off-road package on it. It just doesn't have the tires and wheels. So this trailer sits up about 4 inches taller than what your standard trailer will. They're really tall. These are torsion axles, brakes on all fours as well. And as you guys can see, you've got some awesome ground clearance with this trailer. Now we also have stabilizer jacks underneath the back as well as Bogey wheels. These are going to be everyone's best friend when you're trying to go up and down ditches. You're not going to drag the back of your trailer anymore. It'll simply roll on those Bogey wheels and save your framing and save the trailer. So nice solution there. Triple strip tail lights gives you a backup light. You do have 2 spotlights off the back as well. Again, this is an 8.5 20. This is going to give you 13.5 feet of garage space. Now we did a spot off this side, so if you ever need to be out at night working on your water or your bathroom system, you do have some light there as well. These are a 1 size bigger tire and wheel than we usually run. So you do have a radial underneath the trailer. And we're just going to cheat and go in the side door here. This is a double insulated unit, so you've got double insulation in your walls and ceiling and an insulated floor. You guys can see that there. We've ran the same floor in here as the off-road trailers, the 7 wides. This is our performance Nudo floor with Dry Max. It's one of the most durable floors we can stick in a trailer. Again, insulated. You have the aluminum wall and ceiling liner, max air roof vent there in the back, and then you've got 1 window here on this side with those 3 puck lights, and then 2 windows, which is really nice, on this side for some extra light kind of up near that cabinet / kitchen area. And then we've also ran 4 4-foot LEDs recessed nicely up here in these corners. So some great lighting, and of course it's all controlled individually by switches, so you guys can control what you have on and off. AC unit with a heat strip located right here as well. So you do have the ability to heat and cool. This trailer also has a battery in it. So that battery is going to run all those exterior lights that we looked at, plus these puck lights for you guys. So you don't have to be plugged into a generator or have a vehicle on to have light on the inside and outside of the trailer, which is awesome. And then we did the matte gray cabinets. I love this. It ties it in, matches the exterior. You've got your battery charger, hot water heater, your water tank storage, everything's hidden nicely right down in here. And then you've got full open space up there for additional storage in those uppers. And then coming into the front here is your bathroom. So here's your vanity area with a sink. We did a window in here, plus you've got a 12-volt fan, so lots of ventilation, a 4-foot LED, and a puck light. So great light in here as well. Here is your sink area, potty, and then you also have a nice size shower in here with a light in there as well. So again, 13.5 feet of garage space, and just simplifies your life. This one does have a 3-year factory warranty, and you guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com. We ship, so if you guys don't live near us, it's all good. We ship literally every day, so you guys can give us a call. We can get you a shipping quote, get one of these trailers delivered right to your door. We ship for very reasonable rates. And be sure to call us with any questions, 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.